Hello, hello. Day 14, part 2. In the Hatha Yoga class today, we focused on teaching methods, which is so extremely important as we will be designing our sessions ourselves in the future. Some of the things have been reiterated across our journey so far, but it's very important for it to be broken down in parts so we consider properly how the session needs to be started. What are some things we need to consider before we start the session? Our students' physical well-being, what time of the day it is, what their goals are. And after opening the session, what are some asanas we will be focusing on? What are some restorative poses? What are some counter poses? And based on that, we will also be dedicating time for relaxation towards the end. So all of these things need to be carefully considered before designing a session. And these are the things that we sort of focused on today in our Hatha Yoga.